Anyone else hungry? Anyone? Look at that beautiful plate. We are calling it our Easy Rescue Meal. It's a simple cheater way to make Eggs Benedict at home with 3 flavor variations to choose from. Wendy Paul joining me to share her recipe for, here it comes, Eggs a la King.
Eggs a la King.
Listen, lady, I love Eggs Benedict at the restaurant. I've never made it at home.
Well, it does have quite a few steps. So my grandma was just a genius, and she served this recipe to us a lot. So when we were talking about what we wanted to do, like a Mother's Day theme or something special, my mom's like, you need to do this recipe. And I was like, done, I will make it.
Is this your grandma?
Yeah, that's my grandma.
Look at her bikini swinging on a rope. She's an adventure gal.
She is, and she rode bareback all the time. She was one of the best riders, and she was an extra for a lot of Western movies. There's her with John Wayne.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
What's her name?
Lou Carter.
Grandma Lou.
Grandma Lou. So she lived in Kanab. They had a ranch down there. She did everything the boys could do, and she really did not like to cook, but she was good at it. So you don't have to love it to be good.
I just love the family heritage and connection that comes out. I mean, right when you know those roots, you know her.
And I'm Wendy Lou, so
yes, you are.
We're lots of Lou's.
I
know.
love the Lou. Okay.
Anyway, so this is Grandma's recipe, Eggs a la King.
Great.
So similar to Eggs Benedict, we're gonna show 3 different ways, and then you can just kind of make up your own way. I brought a bunch of great toppings. Okay, so first, literally there's just a few ingredients in this recipe. So first I diced half of an onion, Brooke, and browned it in some butter just till it was nice and kind of starting to caramelize. And then I added about a cup of milk with cream of chicken soup, 1 can. Stirred it together, brought it to a simmer, and then I just cracked the eggs right in the sauce.
In the sauce?
In the sauce. And I didn't puncture the yolk. Seasoned a little salt and pepper and put the lid on. So 20 minutes will get you an egg that's solid. If you want a runnier egg, go like 15.
My kids are gonna love this.
Over low heat. So low heat, just let it simmer, and your dinner is done.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. So what's traditional with Eggs Benedict? Usually you've got like an English muffin. I brought the focaccia bread because I like that.
Yeah, it's got a good texture to it, a little more hearty.
So you get to make your own today.
I'm excited.
So we're gonna throw one together. So a couple different variations. The one I did over here is like Eggs Atlantic. So it's got the smoked salmon, the capers, a little bit of arugula, a little bit of smoked paprika.
You're amazing.
Okay, delicious.
That looks amazing.
So, do you want some bacon on yours?
You bet I do.
So Canadian bacon or bacon. I'm gonna do bacon too, because you know, bacon's always
good. really just a bread and a protein to start.
Bread and a protein to start, and then let me serve you some eggs.
This looks amazing. Yeah, we're big into eggs. Fortunately, we like the taste almost as much as we like quacking them. At my house, we see eggs to quack the eggs. Yeah.
Oh, I love it. A little extra sauce.
We've had just made rules. If you quack the eggs, you've got to eat the eggs.
Oh, that's a great rule. That's a great rule. Okay, you can fill whatever you want. We've got smoked salmon.
Oh my goodness.
You could do some capers, some cheddar cheese, arugula. California Eggs Benedict would have avocado, and it would have like tomato and cheese.
Look, you can just, are there rules? Can I just build?
No, I like breaking the rules. So I think that applies to food too. Really, you can do what your family loves, right? Like some kids might shy away from, you know, the salmon, and that's totally fine. Other kids might really like it, okay?
I'm gonna eat too.
So yeah, so eat. So I'm gonna do like a BLT. I'm gonna do a little bit of cheddar. A little bit of bacon.
Bite. This is not going to be a TV bite. I'm warning you ahead of time, so please have something prepared to talk about when I put this fork in my mouth.
So just keep right on eating. So anyway, this recipe is really a lot of fun. It's special to our family. I love sharing my family recipes with you guys because really, those are like the best ones. Look at your face.
This is really good.
She likes it.
It's creamy.
It's creamy, right?
But it has that, and this is a compliment, it has that kind of Mormon casserole texture to it, which I think we're all comfortable with.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the eggs and the bacon combined, so good.
Right. So good, huh? I know, fun.
All right, Eggs a la King. Grandma Lou's recipe that she's sharing through you. Isn't that a fun, that's got to be a really rewarding aspect of what
absolutely.
You do, you are in people, you're in my kitchen.
Yeah, absolutely. I love cooking my grandmother's recipes because recipes trigger memories, don't they?
Totally.
Like things from your childhood, it just makes everything more special. So,
all right.
Yeah. Thank
Wendy's
you.
the best. Where can we get more of your recipes?
Follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul. We have lots of fun and lots of good food like this.
I should say we haven't talked about this today. The last time we connected was my panic text from the aisle of the grocery store.
Oh, it was.
You were so kind to save me.
It was. And how did it go?
It was delicious. I made her lemon parmesan chicken. A hit. I've made it like 4 times. But I was in a restaurant and I couldn't get the website to load, so I frantically texted her. I was like, what do I need to buy? Thanks for saving me.
You're welcome. And you know what? I think we've renamed it. I had a viewer message me and say she made it, and she calls it Money Chicken now.
Money Chicken.
She said it's the best thing, and she put
good.
the sauce on salmon the next night. She said it's amazing. They lick their bowls clean. So Money Chicken, I think it's a new name.
Look for her Money Chicken recipe. This one too on our website. We'll link you, of course, over to her recipe page too. The Real Wendy Paul on Instagram, where she's constantly sharing her gift of food with all of us, and we're better and fuller because of it. Grateful to Wendy. Look for those links again at studio5.ksl.com.